My name is Ryan Wheeler, fleet lead for Entelar Group, based in Auckland, New Zealand. So currently our fleet consists of around 220 vehicles, 30 additional machinery. There's also an array of light-duty trailers on top of that. And then on the equipment side of things, we currently manage around 900 smaller assets. So the biggest challenges that we found when looking for an electronic management system is not only covering off the inspection items, ensuring that items are inspected that should be inspected, but it was going, how do we associate a failed item to the vehicle? What was unique about Fleetio is that it wasn't just a management tool, but it really became the asset inventory for us. You have a unique system that is the asset register for all of your assets, and it holds all of the key information, even right down to having specific vehicle photos. So you can take photos of specific builds on your vehicle. You can ensure the inspection form being carried out relates to that vehicle. In terms of where Fleetio is really key, I'd like to talk to the equipment module. What was really key for us is the smaller equipment had a tendency to be allocated to our field users at the start of a project, but by the time that project ended, that equipment had changed hands so many times. Fleetio brought to our team a unique ability to track those movements and put the ownership back on the operators, giving them total ease of access to swap the assets and follow a process really seamlessly. Shared equipment can easily be seen where it is. So rather than having to phone the main office, drive to the main office to pick up a concrete drill, they see that one of the field operatives 2 kilometers down the road has the same drill that he needs. Get in touch with them, grab it, get back to the job, really keeping up our efficiency and operational times. What made it really key is sitting in high-level business meetings with your executive team. Any answers that came up around financial support or operational support, it was as simple as I could just jump into my phone and find the information and pull the metrics and talk to it. The reduction in downtime, the reduction in risk, because all of your items are recorded, so you're always on top of your maintenance. We've taken our compliance from what was usually around 60 to 70%. Where Fleetio, we've taken that right up to 85 and 95%, and that has been key to the business. Not only from a health and safety point of view, but from a financial point of view, knowing that your costs are accurate, nothing has been missed. Even to have buy-in from your executive team turning around and saying, absolutely impressed. We had no idea the capabilities our own internal fleet team has, and that is 90% attributed to the use of Fleetio.